Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at a Fleetwood Fortis model 34MB. Guys, this is the Fleetwood Fortis 34MB. I love this motorhome. It's the perfect combination of quality and price. Fleetwood, they make high-end motorhomes and entry-level motorhomes. This one falls right in the middle. I love the face of it. I love the headlight design, the grille. It looks mean. It looks cool. Like, yo, I'm camping. We got the big 22.5-inch tires, 7.3 liter Godzilla engine, storage all the way down with the beautiful optional full body paint that looks fan-freaking-tastic. Let's check out the inside. When you come on inside, do a 360 to the left, and you're gonna see that this motorhome is cool on the outside, but sophisticated on the inside. I love the off-white colors in here. Looks absolutely fantastic. Right here, we do got seats. They do swivel around to become part of the living area. A hide-a-loft that holds 600 pounds. Right here's your dinette area. There's storage underneath there. It's very nice. Over here, you can see that we do got theater seats. Very big and nice. Storage above. We got some sort of abstract peacock artwork here, and the TV with the fireplace. Over there's the kitchen area. Good size fridge, nice countertops. Really, really nice. Nothing extravagant, nothing too big, nothing too small. Right here, big shower, nice bathroom and everything. Now you guys might be wondering, hey, I didn't see a pantry in that kitchen. You're absolutely right, you didn't. You saw a pantry here. And let's say you run out of pantry space, you got even more secret pantry behind there. And then you might be saying, but hey, where does the stackable washer and dryer go? Here's where a stackable washer and dryer goes. Whirlpool, stackable. Some of the other higher end Fleetwood products, you can only get a combo washer and dryer. King size bed in here. I love the colors. I love the decor choices. And then look at all this storage. There is storage behind the TV, and there is 11 drawers underneath there. Great, that was a quick little 2-minute tour of the Fleetwood Fortis 34MB. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are ready to buy this motorhome, great. Click that link down below. A member of our team will reach out and get you guys a phenomenal price. Or, if you're still not quite ready, that's okay. Make sure you guys check out our YouTube channel, Matt's RV Reviews, to see the full review of this motorhome and every motorhome that we sell. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.